Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So tomorrow we're having a party for Sam's dear mom's birthday. She passed away, so we're going to be celebrating it for her. We're deciding to make some carnitas. So of course, this is a pork picnic that came off of the pig that you guys just see me recently butcher. So I wanted to bring you guys along and show you guys how I make it. Okay, so now that we've got 2 cups of orange juice, 2 limes squeezed in juice, a whole clove of garlic, a whole onion chopped, 1 whole teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 3/4 teaspoons of pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. I'm going to blend this stuff all up and then get it put in there with the meat. So now that we've got our marinade in there with the meat, I'm going to set it in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight, and then I'll get back to it tomorrow. Alright, now that we let the meat marinate overnight, I got the oven preheated to 275, and we're going to let it cook till it starts falling off the bone. Okay, so the meat's been in the oven a little over 4 hours. Decided I'd take it out and check it out. Looks like the bone just popped out. Should be getting pretty close to being done. It is looking really good.
Smells even better.
Alright, so after checking it out, it's pretty damn tender. So I'm going to let it cook for another 2 hours. Just let it break down a little bit more, and then we'll get it ready for some burritos. But I think I'm going to take a little bit off here and make ourselves some tacos while we wait. Okay, so like I said, we had to get a little bit for ourselves before the party, and it looks great with Sam's homemade hot sauce. So while we're waiting on the meat to finish up and enjoying ourselves with our little party, I decided to light this mess on fire finally. I figured I'd share it. Alright guys, so it's all done. We made some ground beef, but we did not get that off the farm yet. And that is the carnitas that we made. I'm sure Matt will tell you how good it is here in a minute. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the channel, and don't forget to cook you guys up some good old pork carnitas so you can feed that to the like and subscribe button. We'll see y'all next time.